Welcome. Many people think that connecting Excel to Power BI is a rocket science. They think that they will need hours to find out complex gateways to import Excel data into Power BI. But actually, it is very easy. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process how you can bring your Excel data into Power BI for advanced operations and visualization. Let's see how. Here we have our Excel sheet. This contains employee data. We will close it because bringing any data with Power BI, we need to close it. Now assuming that we have already opened Power BI desktop. Here I am now on Power BI desktop interface. Here we have options: import data from Excel, import data from SQL Server, and so on. Also we have a lot of other options to import data from different databases into Power BI for advanced operations. In this video, we will go with the import data from Excel. I'll click on this option and then browse the sheet on my PC or laptop. Click open, and now Power BI is uploading our data. Now we have on navigator section of Power BI. I will click on the sheet and it will show you all the sheet whatever contains in your workbook. Right now we have only one sheet. Now we have two more options: to load data directly into Power BI or transform data. To first load it into Power Query and then bring it to Power BI model. So we will click on transform data. Now our Excel data is in Power BI Query Editor. From this Power BI Query Editor, we can further apply advanced operations on our data, like if you want to remove the duplicates, if you want to remove the rows, if you want to remove columns, if you want to add new rows, change the data type, and so on. Once you are done with the data editing in the Power Query, you can go to Close and Apply. Now our data will be uploaded into Power BI report view. Wait for it. Now our data is uploaded into Power BI. Right now we are in report view. I will go to table view to see our data. You can see that our Excel sheet is fully uploaded into Power BI. You can go back to report view. From this report view, you can add advanced visualizations to make your data look more professional and make the dashboards. That's all for today. We have successfully imported our simple Excel sheet into Power BI. If you want to be a data analyst, please subscribe to our channel and share with others to help them. See you in the next one.